Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into an exciting comparison of the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If you're into cutting-edge technology, foldable smartphones, or just looking for a device that can do it all, you're in the right place. We'll be taking a deep dive into everything this phone has to offer, from its sleek design and stunning display to its powerful AI features and top-notch camera system. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the right choice for you. If you're curious to learn more about this innovative device, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's kick things off by talking about the design and display of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This foldable is thinner and lighter than its predecessor, weighing nearly an ounce less, which you'll notice the moment you pick it up. When unfolded, the 9 Pro Fold is just 5.1 millimeters thick, ridiculously thin for a book-style foldable. The cover screen has also seen an upgrade, now at 6.3 inches, the same size as the Pixel 9 Pro's display, and it boasts a variable refresh rate from 60 to 120 Hz. Plus, with a peak brightness of 2700 nits, this screen is perfect for outdoor visibility. And don't forget about the interior screen. It's grown to 8 inches, with an impressive LTPO panel that also hits 2700 nits in brightness, making media consumption on this device an absolute delight. Now, let's move on to the cameras, a highlight for any Pixel phone. On the back, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold features a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10.5-megapixel ultrawide sensor. This fold packs a punch in the photography department. The selfie and internal cameras have also received upgrades. Plus, Google's added some fun new camera modes like Made You Look and Add Me, utilizing AI to enhance your photography experience. Whether you're capturing group shots or just trying to get your kid to smile for the camera, these features are sure to impress. Speaking of AI, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is loaded with it. Google's new Tensor G4 processor, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, powers a suite of AI tools designed to make your life easier. The Magic Editor now comes with enhanced AI capabilities, allowing you to expand photo frames, reframe shots, and even completely reimagine your photos with simple prompts. On top of that, AI is seamlessly integrated into the user interface. From AI-generated weather summaries to the Pixel Screenshots app that lets you search through your screenshots, Google has ensured that AI is at the heart of this device. Let's talk battery life. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with a slightly smaller battery than last year's model, 4,650 mAh. Now, this might raise some concerns about its longevity, but with the more efficient Tensor G4 chip, we're optimistic that it'll still get you through a full day on a single charge. And in terms of durability, this phone is built to last. It features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the cover and back glass, and Google guarantees 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring that your device will stay secure well into the future. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is priced at around $1,799. While that might seem steep, remember that this is a premium foldable device, combining the high-end features of the Pixel 9 Pro with the convenience of a foldable design. If you're someone who values both cutting-edge technology and portability, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is certainly worth considering. So, what do you think? Is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold the next big thing in foldable smartphones? With its ultra-thin design, stunning displays, impressive AI integration, and solid camera system, Google has certainly created a device that stands out in the crowded foldable market. However, it's not without its compromises, like the slightly smaller battery and the camera specs that don't quite match up to the Pixel 9 Pro. That said, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold represents the future of mobile technology, where convenience meets cutting-edge innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest, or someone who values both productivity and entertainment on the go, this device could very well be the perfect fit. We'd love to hear your thoughts on whether the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is worth its premium price tag. Let us know in the comments below. And this is the review of Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If you're interested in this smartphone, check out the links in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.